In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into ChatGPT on a laptop in just a few easy steps. If you've just opened your computer and want to start using ChatGPT quickly, this guide will walk you through the entire process from opening your browser to getting into your account and asking your first question. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser on your laptop. You can use Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other modern browser you already have installed. Once your browser is open, go to the official ChatGPT website. You can type ChatGPT into the search bar and look for the official OpenAI website, or simply enter the web address directly if you already know it. Make sure you are on the correct site so you can log in safely. When the ChatGPT page loads, look for the Login button. It is usually easy to spot on the homepage. Click that button to begin the sign-in process. This will take you to the login screen, where you can choose how you want to access your account. Now you'll see different login methods available. You can log in using your email and password, or you may be able to continue with a connected account like Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Choose the method that matches the account you used when you originally signed up. If you normally use Google to sign in, click Continue with Google. If you use Microsoft or Apple, choose that option instead. If you created your account with email and password, select the email login option and enter your details carefully. After entering your login information, ChatGPT may ask you to complete a verification step. This could be a code sent to your email, a confirmation prompt, or another security check depending on the login method you selected. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions and complete the verification. This step helps protect your account and make sure it's really you signing in. Once your details are accepted, you should be taken directly into your ChatGPT dashboard. At that point, you're officially logged in and ready to use it on your laptop. You can now start typing your question in the chat box and ask ChatGPT anything you want. You can use it for writing help, brainstorming, summaries, ideas, explanations, and so much more. If you ever have trouble logging in, double-check that you're using the same sign-in method you used before. A very common mistake is trying to log in with Google when the account was created with email, or using the wrong Microsoft account. Also make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is updated, because that can sometimes affect the login process. And that's it. That's how to log into ChatGPT on a laptop. It's a very simple process once you know where to click, and now you can get started using it right away. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.